Okay, my friends, so this week's free trade setup is ready. This week we're looking at the USD CAD and let's get into it. So it's Will here over at the XAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, simply hit the subscribe button now. So this week's setup is on the USD CAD. Okay, if you watched my video 2 weeks ago on my breakdown of this pair, exactly what I said would happen down at this bottom here has occurred, and that it would reach 125, which actually occurred more or less last Friday. And this week I'm looking to sell this asset, and I'm going to show you why I'm looking to sell it on the short term for a possible weekly some pips this week. Okay, so let's get into the actual setup. Okay, as you can see, we're in a huge downtrend here. Okay, we have had this reaction at this weekly area here. Okay, more or less perfect reaction. Okay, as I said a few weeks ago, just before this happened, this is what would likely happen based on the price action happening here. Okay, this nice around the bottom, this period of accumulation, and if you look at the daily charts last Friday, you can see the little indecision here. Market pushes down, creates a spring new low, and then rallies up. Okay, so I said in that previous video that it would go to 125. Okay, because this was the last zone here that caused the last low in this trend down. Okay, downtrend. Okay, I haven't really drawn those lines downtrend correctly, well, precisely, but that's more or less it there. Okay, you can see it's broke out of this trend line. Okay, so what normally happens here is price will retrace down and then shoot off again. Okay, back to the upside. So this is why I'm looking for this reaction. Okay, move down followed by a move up. Okay, that's what I expect to be happening here. So you can see we're at this zone. What I'm looking for is price just to pop up a little bit further. You see we actually have this. This would be a nice area here, I think, or up towards the top of the zone up here. Okay, I want to place it so I can get my stop loss outside the zone. So I'm going to put my entry at 125 400. Okay, 125 400. So it's sell. I'll use a different one here. So sell USD CAD at 125 400. Stop loss will be outside the zone. At 126.7. I'm gonna take profit 122. Okay, I'll show you this in a minute. Take profit at okay, just erase it. It's ahead again, so it's bigger. Okay, so sell USD CAD at 400. Stop loss outside that daily zone there, the weekly zone 126.7, and take profit 122. Okay, entry can be manually taken with a MACD divergence signal on 1 hour or 4-hour chart. Okay, and there will be a link below where if you don't have my MACD divergence indicator, there will be a link below where you can actually download it. Or if not, just contact me at XAUUSD and I will send you the free indicator, which is this one here. Okay, so pause your video, write that down. As always, trade at your own risk. Okay, this is just what I'm doing this week. Okay, so again, stop loss. The reason I'm taking stop loss is above this zone. Okay, above this weekly zone. Take profit. Okay, you can see. Let's have a look. Normally it'd be around the breakout area. Okay, this was the breakout area. Possibly could. It's 121,500. It's like just to pop down to 122 around that area and then take off. Maybe even a little bit. This last high could be a target, which is 123,500. Be a first. That's where I have my break even. So it'll be a first easy target, and then second target down and around this zone here. Okay, we could use a Fibonacci retracement for this spike up, go from the spring. Okay, and yeah, so in around this area here, which is around the 122 area. Okay, would be the market's likely to pop down and then rally back up. So I'd be looking to buy back in down here and sell up here. Okay, so this week's trade to sell at 125,400. I expect it likely pop into this area today or tomorrow, the 125, and then sell off the rest of the week. We will see. So the divergence signal can happen on a 4-hour or a 1-hour chart close to our entry. Okay, you can see we actually have one there before the zone. We want this signal to happen inside the actual weekly area, the daily area here. Okay, so let that move up a little bit further. That's your trade. If you want to get access to my full list of 20 setups for the week ahead, simply click the link below. Any questions, let me know at will@fxas.com. Looking forward to seeing you in the group, and I shall see you on the next video. Have a fantastic trading week.